On the home page or dashboard, you will see the calendar. If there are items that require renewal, a number will appear on the calendar date, indicating how many items need to be renewed on that specific date. To view the item details, click on the date that has a reminder item and then click the View button. This will display the reminder item detail page. Here, you can see the reminder itself, the asset it is related to, the notification period, and any associated documents for this reminder item. To update or renew the data, click the Renew Document button. Next, select the latest document for this item, type any necessary notes, choose the user responsible for managing this data, and set the new expiration date. Click Renew Data once you are finished.